How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jenny.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you live?
I live in India.
How was your day?
It was great, thank you.
Can you help me?
Sure, no problem.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
What are you doing?
I'm studying.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I have.
What's for dinner?
We are having pasta.
Can I have a glass of water?
Sure, here you go.
What's your plan for today?
I'm going to meet my friends.
Are you busy?
Not really. What's up?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook a little.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Can I get a discount?
Yes, you can get 10% off.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's around the corner.
How can I go to the airport?
You can take a taxi.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Where is the restroom?
It's on the left side.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Do you have this in a different size?
Yes, we have a medium size.